Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to add people on your Telegram. So guys, let's continue into your Telegram app. Now click on the pencil icon. Click on again the plus icon. Then here enter the name of the person you want to add. And here you have to enter his number. So after entering the number, click on create contact. And then he will become add with you. So guys, that's it. That's how you can add people on Telegram very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.